I wish I had known earlier that placing a sanitary pad on your feet could bring so many benefits. Start by opening a sanitary pad. Make sure it's unscented and free of extra chemicals. The more natural, the better. Now take 4 large bay leaves and stick them onto the adhesive side of the pad, arranging them so they cover the center properly. Next, add a drop of eucalyptus essential oil on each bay leaf. Just 1 drop. You're not making a salad here. With this combo, your feet will be more prepared than you were on your first day at work. Now place it on the sole of your foot, right over the Yongquan point, a spot on the sole that, according to traditional Chinese medicine, acts like a master switch. It connects with several energetic meridians linked to vital organs like the liver, kidneys, and even the heart. Think of it as giving your body Wi-Fi right through your foot. Stick the pad to your sole, making sure that spot is in direct contact with the leaves. Once it's in place, put on a sock. And please, not the oldest, most hole-filled one you own, not today. By morning, you'll likely feel lighter legs, reduced fluid retention, and better circulation. Many people also report sleeping better, feeling less joint pain, and even lower anxiety levels. And all of this without having to drink a bitter tea that tastes like punishment.